MG Hector continues to offer high performance through the options of the 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine, both in manual and automatic, in fact the DCT automatic, the 48-volt hybrid, and the 2-liter turbo diesel engine. The all-new MG Hector 2021, more style, more features, more internet, more voice, and many more. But for now, I'm going to toss it over back to Rajiv to share more news with all of you.
Thank you, Gaurav, for taking us through the details of the stunning new MG Hector MY 2021. We have always considered Hector a family car, a car for entire family to have delightful times together. The Hector lineup offers a wide range of choice, a 5-seater, 6-seater Hector Plus in single and dual tones with 3 powertrain options and 4 trims to choose from. So today I am extremely happy to announce the introduction of the third sibling in the Hector family, the Hector Plus 7-seater.
Let me go.
The Hector Plus in 7-seat configuration has a bench middle seat and last row for children. Now enjoy your drive with the entire family or plan a weekend trip with your friends. With MG Hector, you will always have room for more. Choose from the Hector. We have you covered. As I said at the beginning, we don't just offer great innovative products. We also strive to deliver the best ownership experience. The new Hector lineup will continue to offer the benefits of MG Shield 555 package, that is 5 years of warranty, 5 years of roadside assistance, and 5 labor-free services for complete peace of mind. This amazing new lineup of Hector will be available starting from today across all our network in the country. And this will come at great pricing as always. Our New Year special price for the MG Hector 2021 5-seater with all new exterior, interior and exciting new features will start at 12.89 lakhs and will go up to 18.32 lakhs. Hector, as you know, comes in manual, hybrid and automatic DCT transmission and diesel variants. For Hector Plus 2021 6-seater, the price will start at 15.99 lakhs and will go up to 19.12 lakhs. And for the new sibling, the MG Hector Plus 7-seater, the prices will start at 13.34 lakhs and go up to 18.32 lakhs, making it a very compelling proposition. Let's have a look at the pricing summary, which is complete portfolio of Hector 2021 family. Thank you for loving the MG Hector. Thank you for joining us. Have a happy and safe 2021.